In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lucidchart in Google Sheets. If you're looking to enhance your spreadsheets with the power of visualizations, then you're in the right place. Lucidchart's integration with Google Sheets allows you to seamlessly enrich your data with dynamic diagrams, flowcharts, and much more. All it takes are a few simple steps, and I'll guide you through each one. First, you need to open Google Sheets. This is your starting point. If you're not familiar with it, Google Sheets is a web-based application that's part of the Google Workspace suite. It functions much like Microsoft Excel, but of course with Google's interconnectivity and cloud-based advantages. With your Google Sheet open in your browser, let's dive into how to integrate Lucidchart here. On the top menu, you'll see a series of options, but what we're looking for is the one labeled Extensions. Go ahead and click on Extensions. A drop-down menu will immediately appear. From this list, move your cursor to Add-ons, which will extend another menu to the side. Click on Get Add-ons. This will redirect you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. This is essentially a hub of various add-ons and tools that can integrate directly with your Google Sheets to enhance its capabilities. Next, in the search bar at the top of the Google Workspace Marketplace page, type Lucidchart and hit Enter. What this does is bring up all related results, but for our purpose, you want to find the Lucidchart offered by the well-known diagramming application itself. Lucidchart is an industry leader when it comes to creating diagrams and visual representations, and integrating it directly into your Google Sheets can be a game changer for your data visualization needs. Now, once you find Lucidchart in the list, you need to install it. There should be a button that says Install next to it. Click it, and the process of adding Lucidchart to your Google Sheets will begin. Follow any additional prompts you may receive, and don't worry, they're there to ensure that the installation is complete and that the add-on will function properly once you've set it up. After the installation, you'll need to grant permissions to your Google account. This is a standard procedure whenever you're installing an add-on. It's vital to allow these permissions so that Lucidchart can properly link and interact with your Google Sheets. Rest assured, these permissions are necessary for the tool to work and for it to provide a seamless experience by accessing your data as needed for visual processing. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Lucidchart with Google Sheets. Now you're ready to start creating visually compelling diagrams directly within your spreadsheets. Whether you're working on a complex flowchart or a simple diagram, Lucidchart will significantly enhance how you represent your data in Google Sheets. Make sure to explore all the features Lucidchart offers and see how it can simplify your workflow while making your spreadsheets more visually engaging and informative. Thank you for watching, and happy charting with Lucidchart in Google Sheets.